Hi, I'm Poppy, the pupil counselor for P2T. Our class made a Love Is 2021 calendar. Check it out, Miss Telford, you are the best. Love is on tag. Merry Christmas!
Together we will make it through. Following the rules is the right thing to do.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Here's an act of kindness, one for me, one for you. Merry Christmas!
Have no fear, on thanks here, stick to the rules and be COVID clear.
We're washing our hands to stop COVID's plans.
Respecting me,
Respecting you.
acts of kindness is what we do. Miss Hamilton, you really suit the colour purple.
Mrs. Williams, you're a lovely lady.
Merry Christmas!
The holidays are almost here. Catch up with the ones you hold dear. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas everyone, and please stay in your bubble to stay out of trouble. Family and friends in our heart are staying at home to play our part. Merry Christmas.
Kindness today, kindness tomorrow, putting a stop to all the sorrow. Merry Christmas!
Look after each other cause lives depend, fighting COVID together to the bitter end. Merry Christmas!
Safety first, safety last, and on thank, it's always a blast. Merry Christmas everyone from Mr. McClure.
Thank you for all you do, together we will make it through.
Merry Christmas!
I'm Emily from P6A, and if you'd like to buy one of our Love Is calendars, then please make your donation via PayPay by Wednesday the 16th of December, and we will deliver it to your class. And a big thank you to Miss Telford and P2T for making this possible. Bye! Hi, I'm Riven, the PC rep for P3H. We had lots of fun at our Christmas dinner. Thanks, Heather and friends, it was great!
I'm Erin, the PC rep for P6F. Our official Christmas jumper day was Friday and we raised money for Save the Children. It was great. Don't forget to wear your Christmas jumper next Friday too.
Love is on thank. Here are our school's best bits. 3, 2, 1, action!
And I am Daniel, the Vice Chair. We have been very busy since coming back to school in August, working with Mrs Finlay and our ambassadors.
This year we're working towards achieving our Right Respecting School Silver Award. All classes
classes continue to learn about our rights and practice using them throughout the school, ensuring that everyone feels safe, happy and respected.
We're currently creating lots of whole school and community interactive activities and events to help us embed the UNICEF Children's Rights in Schools and achieve our Rights Respecting School Silver Award.
Hello, I'm Jessica, the RRS Secretary. Our 2020 highlights include delivering food parcels to the community, raising over £150 for Mary's Meals on World Porridge Day and designing our Children in Need events.
We also developed the East Ayrshire Love Us campaign at On Bank, with the Pupil Council creating the slogans which appear in our 2021 calendar. Have no fear, On Thanks, here stick to us, we go with Claire.
Roses are red, violets are blue, here's an act of kindness, one for me and one for you.
Family and friends in our hearts, we're staying at home to play our parts.
If you haven't already, can you please ask your teacher to help you complete our RRS Pupil Questionnaire? Your voice matters.
We'll be back with you in January 2021 with a Rights Respecting School focused assembly. But for now, we wish you a safe, special holiday season. Now over to Mr. Swan for some festive fitness.
Love
is On Thank. Happy Christmas!